Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be baking a cake. The first thing we need to do is crack some eggs. Let's get started.
Good job.
Thank you. Whoa. It's like slime.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
How does that feel?
Crazy. I have a cup of water and a half of
Half a cup of vegetable oil?
yeah.
Yeah, okay, go ahead and mix it with your eggs. Pour all of it in. Good job. And now you need to get your cake mix.
Here's the cake mix, guys. Now we gotta pour it in. It's like it's snowing.
Good job.
Thanks. Now we gotta stir, stir, stir.
All right.
This butter and towel was smooth.
Looking good, Willow. Looking good.
Oh, drizzle, drizzle, drizzle.
Have you put it in the cup?
Yep. Alright guys, now my mom can put it in the oven. Cake's ready, now we're gonna decorate it.
All right. What kind of frosting is that?
Delicious vanilla.
Ooh, yeah.
Cake's all frosted, guys. Now we're gonna put on the sprinkles. Whoa, so many sprinkles. Now we're done putting on the sprinkles. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Aren't you going to tell them what we're celebrating? What's tomorrow?
I'm starting school tomorrow.
You're starting school? What grade?
Kindergarten.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? And who's outside?
My friends.
And what are they waiting for?
They're waiting for cake.
You're going to share with your friends?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Last day of summer vacation?
Yep.
Yeah? Your cake looks good, babe.
Thanks.
Looks beautiful. Looks yummy.